that. What is that? Like, really? Like, straight up lit in the sky. Like, it's so insane. Come on. Like, how is that ever natural looking to anybody? I just don't get it. Yeah, what exactly is happening? So I'm saying, what is that? Come on. It's fake. That's what it is. We're absolutely certain. So check this out. Just some straight ass line all the way through the clouds. Okay. It's that curve you guys just saw. Big triangle shapes don't even make sense. None of this makes sense. And they still going, hitting us with doubles. And then as you can see, they are literally sewing the sky together. That's exactly what they're doing. No doubt about it. Cross-stitching the sky together. There you go. Another tanker flying through. There's been multiple different compounds being sprayed. You can tell the difference. And you get your big microwave patches. Here, bro. Oh shit. And then you get this big thick one. See what I'm saying? Multiple compounds being hit side by side. cross stitching. You guys see what I'm saying? They cross stitch the sky together. Then they hit it with their frequencies, their harmonics, and their microwaves, and they make it that quilt looking whiteout that we see oh so commonly and oh so often nowadays. Look how thick that shit is, dude. That should not be happening, guys. But that's the point I'm making. Cross stitching. Cross right there. Now, I will come back to this spot in just a minute and show you what it looks like as it's being sewn together. Here you guys go. Look. 2. And then hit it with the cross. Okay? The 2. Hit it with the cross. The 2, and then they get hit across. The 2 hit across. See what I'm saying? This is cross stitching straight up taking place right above you. Oh, and then we got this big bastard coming in here and whipping it crooked. Absolute madness. Yeah. What is that, guys? Look at these waves. Like, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. We're angled, so we're not angled like dead on them sideways, or else they'd probably look a lot better. But it looks like the start of those big ass tsunami clouds. Except they're broke apart on the bottom. The waves are. It's so insane. Doesn't even make sense. This is geoengineering, people. This is man-made weather. There is a cryptocurrency that you can use to manipulate your weather or pay for these services of weather manipulation with. It's called Climate Cron. For one Climate Cron right now, which is the equivalent or backed by the equivalent of a 55-gallon drum of fresh water, it is $5,337 US right now. Yes, $5,337 for a 55-gallon drum-backed crypto coin. That seems pretty intense. They're probably going to be backing crypto coins off air. I just had to show you guys that. Those waves over there. All right, y'all. Phil James, I'm out.